Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Monday. Today is April the 6th. I just got back from a nice little vacation out in Miami. Had a great time. I really needed that recharge. Guys, we need a recharge, all right, every now and then. So I'm feeling amazing. And we have a long, wow, look at that red bird flew right past me. We have a long, productive week this week. So this is our first project. This is Mr. Ken. I was actually supposed to do him one of the second jobs we were supposed to do last Wednesday, but it got too late with traffic. When we was coming from, guys, we was coming from, I think, Canton. It was a 2-hour and 15-minute drive. And Ken said, Courtney, it is not that big of a deal. We're still moving in. Just reschedule us for one day next week. So we're doing him now. It's a small project. It's just one room and some granite countertops. They are moving in. Originally, they wanted to sand the floors, but when they pulled the vents, they realized these floors were engineered and they could not be sanded. So what we're going to do today is a screen recoat with color correction and also clean, buff, polish, and seal the granite countertops. And then after this, we got to go to Woodstock, but it's more on the Milton side, Alpharetta, and do a wax removal screen recoat with UV cure. So anyway, guys, let's get straight to it. Let me flip this around and show you what we got going here today. All right, guys, it's a little breezy. Oh man, this weather is a trip. So I hope you guys had a great weekend. Like I said, me and my wife, my youngest daughter, and one of her friends went to Miami, and we had a great time, and I definitely needed that. So anyway, these are the floors that we're going to be doing. All right, and as you guys see, I'm going to be doing some color correction here. Here. So I'm gonna screen it down, get a good abrasion. Mr. Ken did find, Mr. Ken, you found me on Google, right?
That's cool.
Yep. No, I'm asking, did you find me on Google? How did you hear about me?
You know, I have to think here. I think you referred to me maybe.
Oh, I was referred to you. Okay. Well, that's even
I
better.
have to think.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, here. All right.
I don't really know.
Okay. So these are the granite countertop, guys. They feel really, again, when you feel your countertops, if they feel really rough, it's time for a nice cleaning here. So I'm gonna let Tavares do this. This one right here, here, and this here. All right, guys, go ahead and get started. And then after this, we're gonna shoot to our second project. Stay tuned.
Truman. One day refinishing system. It's just something about that name. Truman. Something about that name. I just can't explain. Truman. One day we come, wow. Floors look new, wow. Truman slide through, wow. Make it shine bright, wow. Pulled up smooth, the one day float. Jazz in the air with the trap down low. Fluid in the mid, let the whole room breathe. Ain't waiting out while we bring flows back clean. On site, yeah, the name got weight. When they hear Truman, they already know it's great. No dust, no measures, a clean upgrade. One day refinish, that's our legend. They just something about that name. Truman. Something about that name. I just can't explain. Truman. One day we come, wow. Floors look new, wow. Truman slide through, wow. Make it shine bright, wow.
My client just said the floors look so much better. And again, these were engineered floors, so the floors cannot be sanded. And all we had to do was remove that vent cover. We look really close. There's the engineered floor. Floor cannot be sanded. Also, granite countertops. Brought that shine back. All right, guys, time to head to job number 2. See you in the next one.